Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Enjoying freshly made mocktails with ice cubes is probably the best you can do for nice get-togethers or warm evenings. Today I am going to show you one such virgin mojito using watermelon. I can't wait to share it with you guys. It's so refreshing and so good. Let's get started and check it out. For the watermelon mojito, first we're going to cut the watermelon into small pieces. Take a nice fresh and juicy watermelon. Chop a few pieces and keep it aside. Next I'm going to make the sugar syrup. To a saucepan, add quarter cup of water. Next add quarter cup of sugar. Boil it till it's completely dissolved. Let it simmer for a few minutes, maybe about 2 to 3 minutes. It's usually better to make a sugar syrup while making mocktails because it will blend well while making them instead of adding just the sugar itself. Turn off the stove and keep it aside. For 2 tall glasses, I've taken the juice of 2 lemons here. Now that I have all the elements to make the mocktail, let's assemble the drink. To a nice tall glass, add a few chopped pieces of watermelon. Add a few fresh mint leaves. Pour a little of the lemon juice. Pour a little of the sugar syrup. You can adjust the quantity of the lemon juice and the syrup according to your taste. Using a muddler, just muddle the watermelon pieces along with the fresh mint leaves, lemon juice and sugar syrup. Make sure you mash the pieces nicely. Once you've done that, drop in a few ice cubes. Now pour the soda into the glass. Using a nice tall spoon, mix everything well so it's all well combined. You can see that nice fizz, and as you mix it up, you can see how well it's all coming together. It's all blending well. The mocktail looks absolutely fantastic. You can finish it off by just placing a slice of watermelon and garnish it with some fresh mint leaves. So here is your freshly made virgin watermelon mojito. You can see how simple it is to make this drink, and it's perfect for the summers. I'll give you a couple of links in the description for other refreshing drinks. You can check them out as well. So you can see how simple and refreshing this virgin watermelon mojito is. I'm sure everyone at home are going to enjoy this, and it's perfect for the summers. So try it, enjoy and share with your family and friends. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now, so you can place your orders on 21frames.in.